ओम खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि प्रथम अध्याय श्लोक 88 पेज नंबर 52। Siddhanti, Purva Pakshi had said, I have not heard anywhere in Upanishad that there is the vidhi for anything in Uttar Mimamsa, in Upanishad. Siddhanti said, haven't you heard Pariksha Lokan इत्यादि आत्मेत्य उपासित आत्मावारे द्रष्टव्य आत्मज्ञान विधायिनी श्रुति ही. So immediately Purva Pakshi thought this is a good opportunity. If somehow I can prove that for Atmajnanam there is a vidhi in Vedanta. See, this is how Purva Pakshi, Purva Mimamsaka thinks. If there is a vidhi for Atmajnanam, then what will happen? There is vidhi for karma, which will give swargadi. For that there is vidhi. For moksha, Atmajnana vidhi is not there. Purva Pakshi feels if somehow I can come out with a vidhi for Atmajnanam, then what will happen? Atmajnanam will not be like Hatagyanam, Patagyanam, where there is Siddhartha Bodhaka Vakya. How do Vedanti differentiate themselves from Purva Mimamsakas? Purva Mimamsaka, they have Vakyas which are Karya Artha Bodhaka Vakya. Whereas Vedanta Vakyas are Siddha Artha Bodhaka Vakya. Siddha Artha means something is already existing. Vedanta Praman will come and say, this is what it is. Brahma is already existing. Brahma is Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. You, Pratyagatma, you are already existing. Vedanta will say, Atma va idameka evagra asit, nanyat kinchat mishat. Atma alone was there in the beginning, nothing else did any vyapara. Ayam Atma Brahma. They'll say this Atma is Brahma. What is Brahma? Prajnanam Brahma. So these are all Siddha Artha Bodhaka Vakya. Whereas Swargadi Vakya, Swarga is not available to me already. I have to do something and claim Swarga. So they are Karya Artha Bodhaka Vakya. If somehow Purva Pakshi can prove that there is vidhi in Atmajnanam, then those Vakyas also will become Karya Artha Bodhaka Vakya. Because in them kartum, akartum, anyatha kartum shakyam will happen. It will become Purusha Prayatna Sadhya. It will not be Vastu Tantra or Pramana Tantra. It will become Purusha Tantra. Where there is Vidhi, there is Purusha Tantra. There Kartum, Akartum, Anyathava Kartum Shakyate. All these options are there. You can do, you cannot do, you can do differently, etc. So if somehow in Atma Jnanam Vidhi is accepted, all these things can happen. So Purvapakshi just caught that one word from the previous shloka. Atma Jnana Vidhayini Shrutihi. And he started. Is Purusha Tantra, this, that, etc. So then Siddhanti said, no, Vedanta is not Purusha Tantra, it is Apurusha Tantra. And Atma Yathatmya Jnana Pratipadaka is Vedanta. That Jnanam will remove Ajnanam. Therefore, there is no Vidhi. Now, somebody may think this way. What about going to Guru? That is injunction. Sitting in class, that is injunction. Doing Shravanam means paying attention to what teacher is saying, Guru's Vakya. So all of this is Vidhi only. Why are you saying there is no Vidhi in Dhyana? And you say Purusha Prayatna, this is not, this is Vastu Tantra. Purusha Prayatna is there. How much effort I am putting you, only I know. What does it take to study? I go to Acharya, I study there, I go back, I do take notes, this, that, listen to recording again. Purusha Prayatna, it is all Purusha Tantra only. You are saying, no, it is Vastu Tantra, Vastu Tantra. So, all this, yes, it is based on Purusha. And in that, Kartum, Akartum, Anyathava Kartum, all these options are there. All of these are Anyatha Siddha. Because they by themselves are not Karana. Anyatha Siddha and Ananyatha Siddha. Those who are studying Nyaya, they know these words. For Ghata Utpatti, Kulal is Anyatha Siddha or Ananyatha Siddha?
Anyatha
Siddha. Ananyatha Siddha.
Okay, how many of you think Kulal is Anyatha Siddha for Ghata? Raise your hands. I will see here. Ghata ke prati Kulal is Anyatha Siddha. All these people have said. All are wrong. Kulal is not Anyatha Siddha. Kulal is Ananyatha Siddha. Kulal is needed. Kulal Pita is Anyatha Siddha. Kulal is not Anyatha Siddha. Anyatha Siddha means he has done some other work and his work is over. Kulal Pita is Anyatha Siddha. Kulal Pita's work is to give birth to Kulal, and that is his role is over. Kulal is needed. Kulal is Ananyatha Siddha, not Anyatha Siddha. So, like that here, this going to Acharya, studying there, etc., etc., all of them are Anyatha Siddha. Jnanam, for that, the Shravanam is the Mukhya. Means that is Ananyatha Siddha. That you cannot bypass. Everything else, you don't have to go to teacher, teacher comes somewhere. Or let's say teacher is teaching somebody. This Drishtanta will come in second chapter. One guru is teaching few disciples, let us say. You happen to pass by and you hear Tattvamasi. And in Purva Janma, you have already done some samskaras. You have samskaras. The moment you hear Tattvamasi, those samskaras can become Jagrat. So there, you did not go to teacher, sit down, take notes, nothing. But Jnanam can take place. Anyway, a lot of those things will come in second chapter also. So, those things will become Anyatha-siddha. Other things will become Anyatha-siddha. Only Jnanam is what is required. And therefore, it is not Karyartha Bodhaka Vakya. Vedanta Vakyas are not Karyartha Bodhaka Vakya, they are Siddhartha Bodhaka Vakya. And therefore, there is no Apurva Vidhi. Mukhya Pratipadanam by Siddhanti is this. Let us see now. Tika. Sixth line from the bottom. Nanu. Shrotavyo mantavyo ityadi shravanadi vidhi vyatirekena drashtavya iti darshane api vidhi shruyata ityashankya maivam darshanasya avidheyatva pratipadanat praptatvacha tatra apurva vidhi asambhavat iti pariharati vidhi apyupagame api. पूर्वपक्षी से श्रोतव्यो मंतव्यो निदिध्यासितव्य. This is Maitreyi Brahmana in Brahadaranyaka Upanishad. This is Prasiddha. This is what is going on right now in Brahadaranyaka class, those who are attending. So there it is very clearly given. Shravana is Mukhya Sadhana, is Angi. Mananam and Nididhyasanam are Anga. Mananam and Nididhyasanam, they are for Pratibandha Nivritti. Shravanam is Mukhya Sadhana. But all three you need for Jnanam. Mantavyo Yukti Bhihi. Mananam should happen through Yukti. Shravanam Shruti Vakyabhyo Mantavyaschopapatti Bhihi Matvacha Satatam Dheya. Ete Darshana Hetava. After Mananam, you have to do Satata Chintanam. Means my Dhyanam, my attention should be on Atma. Dheya, it doesn't mean I have to sit down in Padmasana on some particular cushion, close eyes, some particular light, incense sticks. That alone is not Dhyanam. Dhyanam means where am I paying attention to? What am I paying attention to? Atma or Anatma? Only one question they will ask. Anatma, wait in line. Next person, Anatma, you also wait in line. That's all. So that line is very long. Huh? Those who are Anatma Darshanam. Shrotavyo mantavyo iti shravanadi vidhi vyatirekena. Purva Paksha says, okay, Shrotavya mantavya, you are saying there is no vidhi. What about Drashtavya? Shravanadi vidhi vyatirekena Drashtavya iti darshane api vidhi shruyate. There also vidhi, Purva Paksha says, because there is Tavya. Tavya, Aniyar, Ling, Lot, all of them are Tavya, Vidiling, Lot, Anir, all of them are indicative of Vidhi, Vidhanam. So he said there is Tavya Pratyaya here. Therefore, this is also Vidhi Vakya. In Shastra, they are called Vidhi Chhaya. It seems that there is Vidhi, but there is no Vidhi. It gives appearance of Vidhi. Like fake diamonds or fake gold is Vidhi only. I mean, it is Chhaya only, not real. So, Drashtaveti Darshane api Vidhi Shruyate iti ashankya Maivam. No. Darshanasya avidheyatva pratipadanat. Darshana is not Vidheya. Why? Because that which is Nitya Prapta, in that there is no Vidhana. Atma is Nitya Prapta and Atma Anubhava is also Nitya Prapta. Only Ajnana Nivritti is needed. Swarga is not Nitya Prapta. Therefore, there is no Ajnana Nivritti which will put you in Swarga. That which is Aprapta only because of Ajnanam, in that there is no Vidhi. That which is Aprapta because there is Desha Kala Vastu Paricheda, in that you need Vidhi. So Atma is Aprapta because of only Avidya Vyavadhana. So Avidya Nivritti, Atma Prapti will be there. You don't need any other Vidhanam. There is no injunction needed there. So Darshanasya Avidheyatva Pratipadanat. Is this point clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
These are some subtle points. So the way we are discussing here, I did not discuss in Brahadaranyaka. There, the way I discussed, I am not discussing here. So the approach is different. Okay. Praptatvacha. See, Atma is Prapta. And what is Prapta, in that Apurva Vidhi is not possible. Tatra Apurva Vidhi Asambhavat iti Pariharati. This is Mukhya Matam. Mukhya Mata is there is no Vidhi possible. Then Purva Pakshi says, no, this is there, Tavya is there, and you are saying Atma is Prapta, but look at people. Always they are dukhi, always some or the other thing is going on. What Atma is Prapta to them? So Tushyatu Durjana Nyayena, we say, okay, even if you insist for some Vidhi, at least Apurva Vidhi is not there. Niyama or Parisankhya, we will try to tell you one of them. So Pariharati. See in Moolam. Naivam. Apurusha Tantratvad Vastu Yathatmya Jnanasya Sakalanartha Bijatmana Bijatma Anavabodhot Sarino Mukti Hetoho iti. Apurusha Tantratvat. This is Hetu. Vastu Yathatmya Jnanasya. So Vastu Yathatmya Jnanam is Apurusha Tantra. Vastu Yathatmya Jnanasya Apurusha Tantratvat. It is Vastu Tantra or Pramana Tantra. And therefore, Sakalanartha Bija Atmanavabodhot Sarino Mukti Hetoho. What is Mukti Hetu?
Vastu Yathatmya Jnanasya Sakala Bijatman Mat Bijatmana इचात्म अनवबोध उत्सारिणः मुक्तिहेतु मुक्तिहेतु
Good
आत्मा
attempt.
आत्मान अनवबोध उत्सरणम् अज्ञानस्य उत्सरणं मुक्तिहेतुः।
Why utsaranam? Mukti hetu ho. Which vibhakti is that?
षष्ठी
पंचमी
Panchami and Shashti both. After studying so much Vyakarana, you don't know Panchami, Shashti, that they will be same.
no is पंचमी
Mukti hetu ho. So Mukti hetu is, my question was, what is Mukti hetu? Prathama, you have to give the answer. Sakala, you don't have to say Atma, Yathatma, etc. Sakala anartha बीजात्म अनवबोध उत्सारिन.
इंग्लिश में बोलो।
और in Prathama you say उत्सारी.
Knowing that Atma is the upadana of everything.
आत्मा अनवबोध उत्सारिन is mukti hetu. Mukti hetu is jnanam. What this jnanam will do? Atma anavabodha means ajnanam. Ajnanasya utsaranam utsari will be who?
ज्ञान।
ज्ञान।
Jnana. Bas. So utsarina is also fifth, panchami, shashti, both. In other words, Siddhanti said, Atma Ajnanam is the problem. Atma Jnanam is Mukti Hetu, which will remove Atma Ajnanam. That Atma Ajnanam is Sakala Anartha Bijam. All problems are because of Ajnanam about myself. Who am I? These things also many times people forget so easily. Not that they have not heard. They have heard so many times, they have taken notes, they have discussed with people, and they have taught also. But Atma Ajnanam is the cause of all problems. And yet, when problem is there, this doesn't appear as the main problem. Something is problem, something else is problem. Vidhi upagame api. This is the Tushyatu Durjana Nyaya now. First is there is no vidhi. Second is even if you accept vidhi, that's why it is vidhi upagame api means abhyupagame api. Even if you accept vidhi, na apurva vidhi. It definitely it is not apurva vidhi. Then what is that? Ata ahu. See tika. In tika they have given vidhi abhyupagame api iti. Niyamah parisankhya va vidyarthopi bhaved yatah anatma darshane naiva paratmanamupasmahe. Niyamah parisankhya va vidyarthopi bhaved yatah anatma darshane naiva परात्मानमुपास्महे यतः विधि अर्थो अनात्म विग्रह you have to do like this अनात्मनः अदर्शनेन अनात्मा दर्शनेन एव परात्मानम् उपास्महे नियमः परिसंख्या वा अपूर्व विधि is not there. So पूर्व पक्षी says so is okay. Since niyama vidhi is also possible, parisankhya vidhi is also possible. Yatah means yasmat niyamah parisankhya va vidhi artho api bhavet. These two are also possible. So you say anatma adarshanena eva paratmanam upasmahe. Paratma, paramatma, paramatmanam upasmahe because atma ityeva upasita. This Vidya Sutra in Brahadaranyaka is given. So Atmetyo Upasita is same as Atma Vare Drashtavya. How? Anatma Adarshanena. Don't do Anatma Darshanam. In Tika it will be elaborated. Then I'll explain. See Tika. Vidhi Artho. Vidhi Pratyasya Lingader Artha. Vidhi Artha, because in mantra it is said Vidhi Artho Bhavet. Vidhi Artha means Vidhi Pratyaya. Tavya Pratyaya is there. Like Ling Adi. Ling, Lot, Tavya, Aniyar, all of them, they are Vidhi Pratyayas. Tatra Anekatra Pakshikataya Praptau Niyamaha. Now let me tell you what is Apurva Vidhi, what is Niyama Vidhi and Parisankhya Vidhi. These are given in Mimamsa Sutras. Apurva Vidhi is Vidhirva Syad Apurvatvat. This is the Mimamsa Sutra. Vidhirva Syad Apurvatvat. Something which is not available through any other Praman other than this Praman only. Then it is Apurva Vidhi. And it is about Aprapta Vishaya Prapti. Both conditions have to be there. So, Sarvatha Aprapta Vishayasya Prapako Yo Vidhi Sa Eva Apurva Vidhi. What is Sarvatha Aprapta Vishaya? And this will do its Prapti. Drishtanta is Yatha Vrihin Prokshati Vrihi Prokshanam. So, Prokshana Rupa Sanskar Karma. For that, you need Vidhi Vakya. Other than this Vidhi Vakya, no other Pramana will say how to do Vrihi Samskara or how to go to Swarga. Darsha Purnamaasabhyam Swarga Kamo Yajeta. So they say, oh, there is a technique now to go to Swarga. How? I have to do Darsha Purnamasa Yaga. To do what do I need? They will say, you have to do this, you have to do this. Every month you have to do daily Agnihotra, you do Masika Agnihotra, you do Yajmana, this you have to do. So many other things you do, Chaturmasya Vrata you do, etc., etc. Then, Chaturmasya means now this Chaturmasya period that is coming. Not that Chaturmasya Yaga is there. That is different. This Sannyasi's Chaturmasya Vrata is different. Mimamsaka Chaturmasya Yaga is different. So when you do all those things, what is given in Mundakopanishad, then you will be eligible for Swarga Vidhi. Then you do the main Yajna for Swarga. So this is Apurva Vidhi. What is Niyama Vidhi? So this Vidhi Sutra, you don't need numbers. 343, this is Mimamsa Sutra. Niyama Vidhi Sutra is 4 to 24. पक्षे अप्राप्तस्य प्रापको विधिर नियम विधि. Something is pakshe aprapta means pakshe prapta, pakshe aprapta. That is called niyama vidhi. Like vrihin avahanti. So vrihi is there. In Darsha Purnamasa Yaga, you have to prepare purodasha. Purodasha is like a shira, halwa. You need rice. They make it out of rice. It means, I think, suji, what you probably that is the same thing. So the rice paddies are there. You have to remove the kosha from there. Vapustushadivit koshai. Like that. So tandula nishpatti, you need tandula, you have to do vaitushya karanam. How? You can do it through nakha vidalanam or avaghata, avahananam or some other upaya. Bahuvida upayaha sant. But niyama vidhi balat, they will say avaghata only you have to do. Avaghata dwara eva karya sampadaniya. This is called niyama. Where there are vikalpas and they say you have to do only this way. This is called niyama. When there are no vikalpas and you don't know how to get it done and Shastra says this is how. That is called which vidhi?
Apurva vidhi.
Apurva.
Apurva vidhi.
Now Parisankhya vidhi. Parisankhya vidhi is the third one. So those who have studied Artha Sangraha, they know all these things. Ubhayoscha yugapat prapta vitara vyavritti paro vidhi parisankhya vidhi. When two things are simultaneously available, ubhayoho yugapat prapta means two vikalpas are there. So that vikalpa, that vidhi where itara vyavritti is pradhanam. Their intention is not in saying you do this. Their intention is to say you don't do that. The other one. For example, if somebody says, they have given the drashtanta that is given here, Vaidika drashtanta. But this drashtanta is famous. Satyam vada. Satyam vada means asatyam ma vada. This is Parisankhya vidhi. You can speak Satya also, you can speak Asatya also. So they say, don't speak Asatya. Satyam vada, if they say vidhi, then everywhere you will have to go on speaking. Here you don't have to talk, still you will say something. Those people who are calm, you will create agitation. Why? Because you know something, and most things, they will create some or the other disturbance. So best is you don't say anything. But say, I don't know how to keep quiet. Okay, don't speak untruth. When they say Satyam Vada means, don't go on telling everybody, you know what happened, you know what you heard, I heard this way, that way. You don't have to do it. Just Asatyam Mavada. Don't say anything which is Asat. That's all. This is Parisankhya. So there is another Drishtanta, Pancha Pancha Nakha Bhakshya. 5 with the 5 nails you can eat. I mean, they will give you such names of the animals that you will understand their original intention is to tell you don't eat. Pancha Pancha Nakha Bhakshya. And the drashtantas are like turtle, rhinoceros, then rabbit, I think, is there. And what do they call it? Which has lot of pointed things.
Porcupine.
Porcupine. And one more. Now, who will eat them? People eat other things. So he says, no, only if you want, you can eat only these 5. Pancha, only 5 of those who have 5 nails means these separate. Panchanakha bhakshya. Idam hi vakyam na panchanakha bhakshana param. This vakya is not to tell you you should do panchanakha bhakshanam. Why? Ragatah praptatva. Because ragatah it is prapta. In Artha Sangra we have seen. Because those who want to eat such things, they have so much raga for that, they will do it no matter what. So then Shastra will give some guidelines. So here Parisankhya Vidhi is there. So actually in Parisankhya Vidhi, Nishedha is not there. Because normally how Veda Vakyas are divided, Vidhi Vakya and Nishedha Vakya. So there is no Nishedha. But without using Nishedha, Parisankhya does indirect Nishedha. Okay. With this much background, see Tika now. Tatra anekatra pakshikataya praptau niyama vidhi. Where aneka pakshas are there, like nakha vidalanam or the avahananam of the tusha. Apraptau vidhi. Pakshikataya praptau niyama vidhi. Apraptau vidhi. Tulyavat praptau parisankhya. Apraptau vidhi. Vidhi means
Apurva vidhi.
apurva vidhi. Praptau pakshikataya praptau niyama vidhi. Apraptau apurva vidhi. Tulyavat praptau parisankhya vidhi. So now this shloka is there. Most of you chanted before the class. Vidhiratyantam apraptau niyamaha pakshike sati. Tatra chanyatra cha praptau parisankheti giyate. Atyantam apraptau apurva vidhi. Pakshike niyama vidhi. Tatra cha anyatra cha praptau. And you get 2 pakshas, both are available, then parisankheti giyate iti vachanat. Okay, now here, come back to Atma Vare Drashtavya. What should we do? So the shloka said, Anatma Adarshanena. Here, we can use Niyama Vidhi or Parisankhya Vidhi. So see how. Continue in Tika. Atra cha Anatma Darshanasya Prabalyat. Atma Darshanasya Aprabalyat. Pakshikatve Niyama Vidhi Atma Drashtavya. Atma Vare Drashtavya. We can do Niyama Vidhi. First thing is, there is no Vidhi. This is first answer. If you insist, second answer is, either you can take Niyama Vidhi. When Anatma Darshana is Prabal, Anatma Darshanasya Prabalyat, Atma Darshanasya Aprabalyat. So a new sadhaka, to that person, now I'll give you an example. What is this? How do you recognize this?
This is Pratakshe. No,
What is that?
no, Pata.
It is Pata. But how do you see? Pato Asti. Pataha sun. Now in Pataha sun, importance is given to Pata or importance is given to Asti. So if I say I understand this is Pata Namarupa and sun means Asti is, what is Asti? Vedanta Paribhasha students.
Adhishthana Brahma.
No, Vedanta Paribhasha, what did you hear in last class? That I want to know. Adhishthana Brahma, so you have been hearing from many janmas. This Sat Brahma, how do you get Sat Brahma Jnanam? Pratyaksha. That's what we studied in Vedanta Paribhasha. Sat Brahma is Pratyaksha according to Siddhanti. And Namarupa is Ghata or Pataha. Like in Drigdrisha Viveka we saw Asti Bhati Priyam Rupam Nama Chaityansha Panchakam. Or in Brahma, in Brahadaranyaka, Dveva Brahmano Dveva Rupe. Murtam cha Murtam cha. This will fall in Murta. That is Upadhi of Brahma. Nirguna Brahma with Murta Upadhi. So this is Anatma. If my attention is on Anatma, I need Niyama Vidhi. Atma Drashtavyaha, not Anatma, means putting forth conscious effort, serious effort. I should look for Atma, Atma, Atma. Even if Namarupa comes to my buddhi, I should reject. This is called Niyama Vidhi. That's what this line is. Atracha Anatma Darshanasya Prabalya. If Nama Rupa are so prabal, why Nama Rupa is prabal? Because I am a utilitarian. I always think this is how I will use, that is how. This idea of giving up Nama Rupa is not there. Even though I may chant Upeksha Nama Rupe Dve Satchidananda Tatparaha Samadhim
Sarvada Kuryat.
Sarvada Kuryat. Vidyaranya Swamiji Sarvada Kuryat. Sarvada, so I don't even know how Sarvada word I have to write. Samadhim Sarvada Kuryat. Where is Sarvada? Means lot of effort is needed. Because Anatma is Prabal. Atma Darshana is Aprabal. Atma Darshanasya Aprabalyat Pakshikatve Niyama Vidhi Atma Drashtavya. On the other hand, Yadacha Atma Anatma Darshane Tulyavat Prapte. Let's say this sadhaka has already done enough sadhana. Enough sadhana means not karma yoga, upasana, etc. Not anya things. Sadhana in Atma Darshana. So now his mind is so stable, half the time he sees Atma, half the time he sees Anatma. Then it is said, okay, you can do Parisankhya Vidhi. Tulyavat prapte ahamiti atma sphurana avyatirekena anatmano api sphurana. Both things come to my mind. Pata also and Brahma also. Pata sun, not only Pataha. Only Pataha, I need Niyama Vidhi. Pataha sun. We say now let go of Pata. Only sun. Means if someone says, I see Rajju also and Sarpa also. So they say, now you let go of Sarpa. There is no Sarpa. Only Rajju. So Tulyavat Prapte Ahamiti in Aham Atmaspurana. When I think of Aham, Chaitanya also comes, Ahankara also comes, or Panchakosha also come. Then Atmaspurana Avyatirekena Anatmanopi Spurana. Spurana Tatra Parisankhya. So then he said, do Parisankhya. Means Anatma Varjanam now. Don't think of Anatma anymore. Like how somebody is in the final stages of life, and then he sees his children are fighting, some wealth related problems. So then what do other wise people tell that fellow? Don't think of all these absolutely useless thing and waste your time. You have very limited time now. Don't think of any other. Just focus on Atma Chintana. Already you are moving very fast. You have gone way ahead now. You don't have much time. So the Parisankhya for that person. Ubhayatha api na apurva vidhi aprapti abhavat. Either way, there is no apurva vidhi. Why? Because Atma aprapti is not there. Atma prapti is already there. Either Anatma darshan is prabal or Anatma darshan is equal to Atma darshan. More we will see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.